naona abductions zimerudi. William Ruto aliapa before the international community that abductions will not happen again, na aka apologize. So what is the need? Wewe unajifanya you are compensating victims of abduction and extrajudicial killing when the same abductions are going on. Hii maneno ya abductions tukiendelea uchaguzi tunaona imeendelea. We are calling upon the international community to put William Ruto on notice. He has become excessive on violation of human rights. Ile maneno tumeona vijana wametekwa nyara, wameteswa, walipatikana kwa gari ya polisi, wamepatikana wametupwa kwa mtaro. They have been tortured, and the last time they were seen they were in police hands. So ile squad ya 101 police officers ilikuwa nafanya abductions and extrajudicial killings has been reactivated.